Welcome. My name is Marzena Wisnowska Schilling. I am the owner of this website called New Gold Pill. I am born in Poland and living in Canada, and I'm an expert in the field of diet science. I'm no stranger to shamanic rituals used for the good of health of human beings. When I was educated, I was taught hidden knowledge from my ancestors. This is the most valuable thing that passed on to me above all else. I'm also a proud member of the LGBT community. Please enjoy this tour of the factory in Poland for the Duolife plant. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to please visit newgoldpill.com and click on the sign up button where you'll be getting a 40% discount. This is one of the founders showing a tour of the beautiful Duolife plant where all the supplements are manufactured and produced. Here is another picture of the facilities that are sterile, clean, and please enjoy the tour. Thank you for tuning in.
Witamy Was oficjalnie na otwarciu linii technologicznej Duolife Kozak. Brawa!
Bardzo podekscytowany, od otwarcia fabryki naprawdę mega akcja.
U nas w firmie prezesi osobiście pakują wszystkim towary.
Każdy osobiście.
Thank you for going to newgoldpill.com where you'll be able to shop and get all the supplements you need. Did you know that a human being is built of billions of cells? The oldest cells are 7 years old. Every minute, 2 million of cells die to be replaced by 2 million more in resurrection. The human body is constantly being rebuilt. Did you know that every day we need 60 minerals, 16 vitamins, 12 amino acids, omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9? And due to the soil depletion, the fact that there's no phosphorus, nitrogen, and all these special minerals that we need in our soil, we no longer can get those nutrients from the foods that we eat. This is why today we're going to be focusing on the Duolife Metabolism Weight Loss Set. We're going to be introducing to you the Duolife ProSlimer as well as the 7-day diet. The ProSlimer Duolife formula is an absolutely amazing formula that does not have any genetically modified ingredient. Duolife does not use any gluten, and it's 100% natural, and it's minimal processing. You're going to love this. Let us introduce you to this awesome video.
Fantasy run wild for a moment and imagine that your brain is regularly copied onto a computer's memory. Each day, everything is saved to hard drive, every hour, minute, and second. You have a chance to analyze everything from the very beginning. Think about how you see yourself in the record of your life. Will you present yourself as a cheerful, joyous person, or rather a permanently upset, angry, and bitter one? Seeing all this, will you take better care of yourself? The progress of civilization has a huge impact on our mental and physical condition, and thus translates into the state of our health. It has contributed to the increase of civilization diseases, which are responsible for the deterioration of the quality of life and shortening its length in the 21st century. Modern cultivation methods have led to a decline in the level of nutritional values in food. We consume many varieties of fruit and vegetables that have been grown to store well and yield the best possible crops, which consequently end up on our plates. So the question is, how to cope with the progress of civilization? Duolife is famous for providing innovative technological solutions based on the latest scientific knowledge, which translate into efficiency. All products are created thanks to the work of a team of exceptional experts who support the process of developing recipes with their knowledge and experience, and who are supervised by the Duolife Center for Innovative Research. In cooperation with accredited laboratories, analyses are carried out as control tests of the manufactured form of the product, both at the stage of pre-formulation and production. The raw materials used in the product are selected, taking into account the principles of synergy and antagonism, which significantly improves absorption, and thus the quality and effectiveness of products. Duolife carefully selects the raw materials used in production, choosing the most valuable ones. Derived from various geographical regions, Duolife products are divided into 5 lines. Duolife Liquid Formula. The domain of Duolife is nature. Therefore, all liquid products are contained in glass bottles and do not contain preservatives or genetically modified substances. Thanks to a unique and patented preservation method, we manage to keep all the natural properties of the individual ingredients. In 2017, a Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine was awarded for molecular mechanisms controlling circadian rhythms. Thus, take effective care of your body balance. Every day, 7 billion of your cells need fuel to function properly, which is why you need to provide them systematically with properly balanced ingredients. The immune system develops until full hormonal maturity. Therefore, you should take care of immunity that will serve your child throughout his or her entire life. Take care of your appearance from the inside, because this is where life begins. The Duolife Beauty Care line will take care of your appearance using the latest scientific reports for optimal skin nutrition deriving directly from nature. Thanks to its proprietary formula, it is perfect for all skin types, all year round. It reduces transepidermal water loss and accelerates the cell renewal time. It stimulates blood circulation and improves skin elasticity. It acts as a local skin filler and protects against UV radiation. It reduces early signs of skin aging and soothes and regenerates irritations. Did you know that human hair consists of 80% keratin? That is why Duolife Keratin Hair Complex supports damaged and split hair, providing optimal protection for your hair. Start your morning freshly and naturally strengthen your teeth and gums during the day. Use the night productively and take care of a diamond smile. Studies show that we exchange the handshake 15,000 times throughout our lives, and there are 3,200 bacteria on our hands. So make sure that this nice gesture is also safe for you and your loved ones. High five! It is functional food, thanks to which going to work will no longer be a challenge. During the day, you will always be able to have a nutritious snack and enjoy a healthy meal at any time. Medical Formula. It is a line of products providing effective solutions in a particular direction. The capsules used in the pre-formulation process of dietary supplements are vegan and contain insulin from chicory roots, which supports the growth of physiological microflora of the digestive tract and directional active substances. It strengthens the nervous system. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels. It maintains optimal condition of the circulatory system. It supports the acid-base balance. It helps to regulate cholesterol. It supports weight loss. It strengthens the motion system. It supports the immune system. It alleviates the effects of tick bites and supports the removal of parasites. For optimal absorption, the Pro-Optical dietary supplement from the Duolife clinical formula line comes in the form of an innovative 2-phase capsule. Your eye recognizes 160 colors and about 600,000 shades of colors. So make sure your world is a colorful place. All Duolife product lines act in synergy, supporting each other, which significantly enhances their performance. The products are certified and have been repeatedly awarded and honored for their quality and effectiveness. However, even the most valuable award does not mean to us as much as the satisfaction of our club members, who, together with Duolife, have improved their health and general physical condition, and above all, started to change their lives for the better. You will find inspirational stories of our club members later in the system. To learn more about individual products or to find out why Duolife products are so unique, click.
Please go to the bottom of the video and click on newgoldpill.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.